It appears that officers' serious concerns about fireworks wars in Gastonia were warranted. 2 patrol cars were damaged by fireworks.
And reporter Anthony Castura talked to someone who said he watched teenagers shoot bottle rockets at his car.
There were several reports last night of fireworks being shot at cars. One car even sustained damage totaling more than $10,000. I spoke to one victim who says he's upset by how this is all being handled. It's quiet here now in this Gastonia neighborhood, but last night it proved to be a different story for Casey Terry. He says a group of rowdy teens shot off a bunch of fireworks.
Probably 5, 6. Yeah, there's like a bunch of like 15-year-old kids.
After several hours of the racket, he confronted them and asked them to stop. He says they ran away, but came back with a vengeance and a bottle rocket. And so they just took the bottle rocket?
I think they shot it from like distance almost. I don't think they were trying to cause property damage. Like they weren't like, oh, I'm gonna break this guy's car. Like I'm gonna shoot at this guy's car, and it caused property damage.
This is about a $100 fix, but Casey has to pay that out of pocket and take the day off work to do it. He says the most frustrating part was what he called the lack of police response when he called 911.
I got a phone call and filed a police report over the phone.
Is that frustrating at all?
A little bit, yeah. You know, just general police presence probably would help in this area for that type of stuff.
But police say they don't even feel comfortable on July 4th because they also become targets. New reports show at least 2 police cars were damaged last night. One so bad, it'll cost $10,000 to fix. Police say they can't even catch the fireworks attackers because they work in such large groups, it's hard to tell who actually used the fireworks. Now, I asked if those squad cars will be able to be repaired, but so far, I haven't heard back. In Gastonia, I'm Anthony Castura, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.